What's up everybody? Tom and Tony with Florida Barbecue Guys here, and we've got quite a project today. So the folks over at CitruSafe were cool enough to send us some of their stuff, and they wanted us to just demo using CitruSafe on the grill. Now, truth is, I've been using CitruSafe for years, so when they told me to do that, I was like, yeah, no problem. I've already been using your stuff. I got a bottle sitting right here.
Easy.
But I thought, you know what? Let's see what this stuff can really do. So I've got this old, beat up gas grill that needs total restoration, and we're gonna put CitruSafe to the test today and see if CitruSafe can restore an old gas grill.
All right, so CitruSafe sent us a bottle of their cleaner. We're gonna use this thing to its full effect. Nice spray bottle. I personally like the color blue, so that's cool for me. They also sent some scrubbies. So these are Brillo scrubbies that you can actually change out the heads on. So it has a little spikies in there. You just stick the Brillo on it and you can move with it. So we're gonna use these two. As dirty as this thing is, we probably use them all, and probably a mess of paper towels too. So let's get going.